2.
Well, we got here, set up camp. In the process of setting up camp, we realized that we forgot one 90-degree elbow for the wood stove. So we're going to freeze our butts off tonight. And we went out on a scouting trip after we got the tent set up, and pretty much got into quail right off the bat. And I think we got 3 different coveys of quail all together.
It's 7:36. I just wanted to show you guys why I'm dressed like this. It could be down in the 20s tonight. We don't have a wood stove, so I got a base layer, first light pants, then King's camo, bibs, and 3 tops. I'll let you guys know if I stayed warm in the morning. Out. I'll hook around and try to flush them this way. Find the birds. Yeah, I know. I couldn't get a bead on it.
Get in there, find the birds. Find the birds, Roxy. Find them. Bird down. Bird down. Find a bird. There it is. Get it, Roxy. George, good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl, George. Hey, 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 hey. No, eating the birds. Good.
There one goes. Right there on the ground, Dad.
Bird down. Bird down. Find a bird. Good job, George. Good. Good. Good girl. All right, give it to me. Hey, George, quit that. Good. 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 Oh. You need a ride to town. Huh? You need a ride to town. Relax that neck. High intensity wing shooting's too much for you.
Bird down.
Bird down. Damn it, the little I was leading them, and right when I'd shoot, they were turning to the left. Oh.
Come on, where's the bird? Yeah, get the bird. So at this point in time, we have 2 birds down, and we've been looking and looking and looking, and finally we end up finding one bird, but unfortunately my GoPro battery was dead, so we didn't get that bird on film, and the other one we never did recover.
Find a bird. Find a bird, George.
Come on, George.
Flew right in between these two little sage brushes and went down into there somewhere.
So right here, Dad actually got the one bird that we did recover on film. She makes a great recovery on it. The bird was just wounded, but she tracks it down and brings it back across the ice.
Bring it here. Good girl, George. Come on.
She basically pointed that thing.
Come on, George. Bring it. Oh, George. No, hey, come on, George. Roxy, leave her alone. Oh, good girl. Good girl, George. It's clicking for you, huh? Yeah. Oh man, what a shot! Bird down. Bird. All right, good shot, Luke. All right, Roxy, find a bird. Find a bird. He's right here somewhere. It's right under. Good girl, Georgia. Good girl. Woo! Good girl, George. Good girl. Yeah. All right, Roxy, what in the hell's your problem?
We found Dad's bird, and now it's time to go recover my bird.
Georgia, come on, bring here. Bring here, George. Bring. Hey, bring. You bring me that bird. Hey. Ah, you. Right out in my face. Missed it. All right. Bird down. Bird down. Good girl, George. Hey. Good girl. Another awesome quail. Hey, Rocks. Come a little closer. A little closer, Rocks. Hold. Hold. Wasn't gonna recover that one. Find them birds. Flush! Bird down. I got a bird down on the ice. Oh man. Epic. I mean, I wouldn't say it's the best quail hunting in the world, but it's pretty good quail hunting for public land.
So we went to town and got the part for our wood stove, and if you guys are wondering if I stayed warm or not, in the tent the night before, I actually stayed pretty warm. Here we're headed up the mountain, and we're thinking about hunting this spot, but the wind really isn't right, so it ended up just being a nice ATV ride up to the top of the hill. We got a good look at the valley and ended up heading back down. This patch of sagebrush might not be bad to hunt. Georgia. Right there, chukar, chukar. Gosh, dang it. So this situation is a little interesting because we have chukars right above the road and the whole covey busts, but they don't go far. We get downwind of them and we actually turn up a few birds. Think it's even worth it?
Oh yeah.
Never fails, as soon as you draw a bead on a bird, one flushes, it's a lot closer.
Bird down. Good, Georgia. Found the bird. Give it here. Hey, give it. You don't chew it up. Hey, my bird.
In just a few seconds, me and Dad have a quick draw competition for a chukar that flushes right above this old cat road.
It was right here.
I got him.
Yeah. All right. Couldn't get my finger on the safety.
Put it down.
Good girl. Right? Yep. That's another nice thing about hunting into the wind. Into the wind.
Woo. Woo. Red legs. Right there. Right there.
Go find the birds. Get up there and get the birds. Here, don't get too far ahead of me. Oh shit. Flushing behind us?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one running up the hill.
Like a whole gaggle of them. right above us. We can go get those things.
Ah, they're just gonna run. Oh, there they flushed.
The dogs do good on this one.
Right down here. They're still flushing out of here, and a bunch of them went down. I'm gonna circle around on this trail. They're gonna run up that ridge. Maybe drop down through there.
I definitely wasn't expecting to hit this bird, and I did, but I wasn't able to recover it. Super big bummer, because I would have had a limit if I could have found this bird.
Alright! There's more! Take a dog down to find that one and walk the road up.
Back to the ATV. Find more birds. One just flushed right here.
There goes a quail. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to cross this draw. Then we can walk back the road. Oh, quail, quail.
Two down. Two down right on that cut bank.
Did you get the second one or me?
I couldn't tell. It kind of felt good, but it could have been either one of us.
Oh, there went another one. There's one right below me, straight in between us.
One of them is.
So this is pretty frustrating, working with two green dogs, and for whatever reason, they just won't grab the bird. So I've got to basically bushwhack.
All right, there's another one. Just
Hey, you.
used to be a railroad.
So this is one of my favorite birds on the whole trip. We pick up a straggler, smoke it, and the awesome thing is it didn't go on the ice, so it made the recovery go smooth.
Oh!
We're down.
Good girl, George. Good girl.
Good girl, come on. Come on, George. Come on. Come on.
Oh, good girl. I think we both got a piece of that one.
Go ahead. Let's wait for me to carry it. Right here I have chukars all over in front of me on this hillside, but they're about 40 yards out of range, so my motto is, if lead's not flying, birds aren't dying. Running up across you! More! Oh my word! Bird down! Bird down! I'm not really sure why this quail decides to just stand there and die, but he was going for glory. Get the bird!
Get it, Roxy. Get it.
Good girl, Georgie.
Here, George.
So this is the final hunt of the evening. Leading up until this point, our GoPros were dead, but I managed to find a few GoPro batteries in my pocket, and we ended up getting into quite a few birds here. I knocked down 3 birds here. One goes clear behind me. There's 2 out in front of me, and I only recovered 1 of the birds out in front of me. I don't have a dog with me at this moment. Luckily for me, George is on it, and she runs up the hill to give me a hand. Big old bird right there, Georgia.
Bird down. Right here, George. Look. Bring. Give.
And right here we drop back down the hill from where I got the triple to recover that bird that I shot right over my head. Amazing what a good nose can do for you. These dogs are green, but they were a huge help in finding birds.
Find the bird. Come on, find the bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Come on, bird down. Come on, George, bird down. Find the bird. Find the bird. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Georgia. You found it. Good girl. Bird down! Bird down! Another beautiful chukar. That one was holding tight on the hill.
So I get this bird down, I don't properly dispatch it, I put it in my bird bag and it ends up biting me because it jumps out and I end up having to shoot it again.
Flew out of my bird bag! Flew out of my bird bag!
Right here I decide to climb up, see if I can kick down a few more birds that I know that are up here. My plan works right up until I miss. Normally in a situation like this I would stop, calm myself down, catch my breath before I pursued the birds, but I was running out of daylight. I had to go for it. If you're afraid of heights, chukar hunting is probably not for you. Because we love it. So my GoPro's about dead. I actually shut it off and lo and behold, I get down the hill and I pick up 3 birds holding tight. I end up getting 2 of them.
Quail?
Chukar!
Oh, were they?
3 hold tight! I thought I saw one on that hill. And I walked by it, it was just right down in the grass.
Did you find it? All right. Woo!
That was insane.
Alright guys, well we ended up with 9 chukar and 14 quail on the first day. It was an absolute epic hunt. We had a blast and the dogs got a good feel for what was going on. If you guys like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you, positive feedback, and we'll see you on the next hunt.